Thirikari ntuko ya omonde ni anirite Twaanya twa cukuru iria arutwa maria marageretwe kigerio gia KCPE makathie kiri kithomo kiao gia secondary arutwa nkuruki ya 40,000 mwaka uyu ni monete Twaanya kiri cukuru cia nkathi ya national schools na makirigagirwa gwikinya cukuru ni ino tariki 15 cia mweri ututhiite kagitanio kau CS wa kithomo MACHOGU na ugite thirikari ni kuyukia matagaria Gutumiirua mathaga maria makwendekana ni kenda gukinyaniria mathomo ma JSS Anthony Kadenya na tubanganiritie ino
Terekire mambura maurugure bwa mpumija otarani baruto ba form 1 bala babati gutonya kirathi giki kire skuru nkurani waziri wa kithomo MACHOGU liwaruga thirikari ni kirite mibango meganu gutigira irathi bia junior secondary schools ni BIGWAKA na gwikira kila kionde gikwendekana mbere ya mwaka wa 2025 kagita kala kwethera kuna kirathi kia mbere kia grade 9 MACHOGU aruga kire mwaka ojwa kigina bilioni 3.9 ni nenkanirito ni thirikari kire wa no thonde kiboira di bibi bilioni inge kenda kinenkanagero ni banki nene akimandiguru kenda gutigira irathi ngiri kenda ne BIGWAKA.
Further, the ministry has continued to apply affirmative action to cater for the needy and the family of children in identified slums and informal settlements in urban areas. This is in compliance with the government policy of achieving parity in education. Through affirmative action, we managed to place 130 runners to national and 167 to extra town schools. This comprised 150 girls and 147 boys.
Kulinga na ripoti ya umre kumakire waziri MACHOGU kile ruto milioni 1.64 balabathi thire kigero gia KCPE mwaka uju arutwa 40,000 ne magana 927 betito skuru ja national arutwa 2,225 bakithija skuru ja arutwa bala bena mawathe arutwa 2,274 na magana 746 bakithija skuru ja extra counties arutwa 2,248 na magana 200 bakithija skuru ja county na boarutwa 792 na magana 230 bakithija skuru ja sub county.
It is important to appreciate the fact that the selection and placement exercise was strictly guided by the principles of merit, choice, equity, affirmative action, and availability of space.
Waziri wa kithomo MACHOGU alikuwa kenda gutigira na baba bonde ni bakuthikuru ministeri ya kithomo ikawatana nele awekalia kenda kuingia ntubobo na gutigira thirikari ni kugwata gisunsi kegana rimwe kile gutigira na baba ni bakwambira mathomo ma secondary.
We are insisting on 100% transition, saying that after that level, then one will be able to get the opportunity of joining a technical institution where he will be able to get lifelong skills. So our emphasis and the focus is on lifelong skills, which will be able to enable young people to access employment, be self-employed, and they will be able to work out of the country.
Mji munene Nairobi, Mbeta Antony, rangi wa Kadenya.